From deep within the mists of time, like a sound was born in hearts and in minds. A 5-beat riff so pure and true, a repeated call of a 3 and a 2. A dynamic rhythm that drives us forward. It's the key to life that unlocks the groove. Forged in the vast lands under the African skies, this primal beat took hold and did rise. The clave beat, the sound of our life, accompanies the joys and wonder and the pain and strife. It plays through our working day as we dance and sing, passed down from fathers' hands, mothers' tongues and onto our children. Spread far and wide across these great lands, from the tallest mountain to the desert sands. The sound that's still alive in our culture speaks of our past and tells us our future. Then came the darkest chapter in mankind's story, like purest evil and horror fueled by greed and power. Good people, torn from their homes and sent across stormy seas to foreign lands, stripped bare of their humanity, culture and kin. Bodies were broken, imprisoned in shackles and chains, but they could not steal their soul. In the bleakest hours the embers still burned, and the good people endured. In these foreign lands so strange and cruel, like the people enslaved, bound by ungodly rule, but against all this tyranny and might, the spirit lived on and the people did fight. New seeds were sown in the cracks of this hell, secret music was played, memories of the past with the clave beat holding all fast, giving birth to songs of hope, solace and praise. The gospel, the blues filled those dark days. And when at last the chains were broken, new sounds were born, a music of stride and swing, sophisticated, urban and modern, the syncopated lively rhythm, at its core, the clave swing. The clave rhythm spread far and wide, all across the Americas and the islands, taking new forms in Cuba, Brazil, Haiti and Peru. The clave evolved into sounds anew, rich, vibrant colours, dances and song. The clave, the heart of samba, rumba, bossa nova and reggaeton. In the US, the struggle was not over. This land was not fair. Great injustice every day did occur. The civil rights were not for all. Music and politics collided. Awareness was raised and great movements were started. The clave became the sound of the popular. The irresistible groove that rocked and rolled people over. The soundtrack of change, of civil revolution. And with a great rush of wind, the clave traversed the great oceans and settled in London town. Sound of the islands came with the people onto the shores. Reggae and ska and dancehall. A Trojan horse of a wandering diaspora lively up the scene. With the music, it came awash with the red, gold and green. I'm in London, the great melting pot. Like the clave is the key ingredient to keep the sound hot. Chopped and twisted and bent out of shape. Offbeat, disjointed, but still setting the pace. It drives through the drum and the bass and it cuts through the grime. It drills deep in the soul, giving rise to the expression of the youth of today. The clave music lives in all the music that we play. The clave beat so pure and true, like a simple rhythm of a 3 and a 2. From its ancient roots to the present day, a symbol of resilience, resistance and grace in the music we play. Ever evolving and ever enduring, ever relevant, the cycle continues to the generation anew. The key to the soul of this music is a simple 3 and a 2.